Hi fellow problem solvers, welcome to this channel. My name is Untitled and thank you for joining. Remember, share, like and subscribe. So basic operations, what are those if we talk about whole numbers? Well, that is what this video is about. Stay tuned for more. My fellow problem solvers, so we continue to work with whole numbers and I want to quickly, briefly just run through these definitions. The sum of something is the result of addition. The difference is the result of subtraction. Product, the result of multiplication. And quotient is the result of division. So, as you know, sum is to add, difference is to subtract, product is to multiply. Remember, a dot is also known as a multiplication sign, and quotient is to divide. Okay, so I would like to use these basic operations in mathematics to just explain inverse operations. So an inverse operation is two mathematical operations that have an opposite effect. So in other words, they basically cancel each other out. So let's say I have, example 1, I've got 42 minus 7. And you will all very quickly will be able to tell me that this is equal to 35. But if I say 42 minus 7 plus 7, it is clear that these two operations, the minus 7 and the plus 7, will cancel each other out. So we will just be left with an answer of 42 again. So these two are known as inverse operations for one another. Let's take another example. Let's call this example 2. Let's say 37 divided by 5 times 5. And that will also be 37 because they cancel each other out. So in this case, dividing by 5 and multiplying by 5 are inverse operations to one another. Something else to take note of is an identity element. That's a number that when added or multiplied by another number doesn't change the answer. Okay, so it basically just leaves the answer as is. That's an identity element. Okay, but I'm more focused on the inverse operations because we are going to use this in calculations further in mathematics. This will be crucial in your understanding when it comes to simplification and things like that.